In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can earn up to $1,497 off a single sale with the Creatify AI affiliate program. And I'll also be giving you 2 free strategies at the end of this video on how you can promote this affiliate program. And if you don't know what affiliate.watch is, it's a platform where you can come and find the best affiliate programs completely for free. And if you haven't heard of Creatify, they are the top AI platform for creating ads. Brands, agencies, and marketers all around the world are using Creatify to create awesome AI ads, and they've created over 10 million ads so far. And they have a bunch of different tools that you can use. For example, their AI UGC video generator. You can literally drop a link to your Shopify store, your Amazon product, and it will create you 5 to 10 ready to run ads in just seconds. And they have thousands of avatars to choose from, and you can even create a custom AI avatar. You can also turn any product image into a stunning AI ad video. They also have an AI scriptwriter that's been trained with millions and millions of ads, so it can help you write really compelling narratives for your brand. On top of that, it works in 29 different languages, and they have a bunch of different AI models that you can choose from, and they even have an API. And they have an amazing affiliate program that pays 25% reoccurring commission for 1 year. So if we look at the pricing right here, you can see if somebody buys the starter plan and pays monthly, you're gonna make around $10 a month for an entire year, which is $120. And if somebody buys the pro plan with max credits, that's gonna cost them $5,988 a year, and you will make 25%, which is $1,497. So you can make that off a single sale. And if you exceed $5,000 in monthly sales, you'll earn an extra 5% commission. So you'll make 30% commission total, reoccurring for an entire year. Signing up to the affiliate program is super easy. All you need to do is click the link down below and click the apply now button. And then you fill out this short form. It will take you less than 2 minutes. And then once your application is approved, they will send you a dashboard link, and you can go ahead and log in the dashboard. It looks like this, and you can grab your link. The program pays out via PayPal, and the minimum payout is just $20. One way you can promote this affiliate program that others are doing is they are creating Creatify AI tutorials, and they're showing people how to make ads with AI, and they have their affiliate link in the description, and these videos are getting a lot of views. Another is to write blog posts, for example, how to use Creatify to boost your sales in 2024. And these blog posts can convert very well if you put your affiliate link in the post. I think this affiliate program has a lot of potential. If you want to find more amazing affiliate programs, make sure to check out affiliate.watch. If you have any questions, leave them down below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.